5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rocket Man, burning out his fuse out very long.
Yo bukmak kada aku William Gumbala kadun ja ka special dawo di pangayol ng radio mo. You later tonight history will be made DL NASA launch ka rocket into the sky first time DL is Hanamland. Kabajing the first time since 1995 hengat till the takeoff till Australia. Yo aren ka kabala heading Anam Space Center which is in Kurkula. Kana mga rocket launch kabaya tungang tundao yol ngun gabalandeng nalchanola ka thinking about this special event. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed dol dao di Yol Radio. Yo bookmark dual na purya Anam Space Center VIP launch party. Tangang dual balanda mala kayong umala. After Jamamir mala dual arrived plane to from Darwin 20 minutes ago. Karong irija walal ka after rocket launch. Kanedal kangarain raining gun kanedal watta ka boy yun gayong utangang dol ngatta bujilok kadal tangang. Dual deng bala dual nengor. Anam Space Center kadip punya betul merti bala special room ka nama merti na kani later ni tanak klokja kani to launch na 10:40 ja. After dip punya tu merti kai interviewing merti ngun mala. Ka ngapagit mala. Yo bookmark ngada aku William Gumbala kado alinyo nengor Anam Space Station.
Hi, I'm Mike Rogers, Manager for Community Development of the Nhulunbuy Corporation.
My name's Andrew Grimes.
Yung ngayon ako kiyak mi Mareka.
What is the special about this rocket launch?
There's someone who lives in Nhulunbuy Irkala area. It's pretty special to see this happening just around the corner from us. Something that we always watch on TV and in movies from America. And yeah, to have it right next door is cool.
Oh, what's special, I think, is how it embraces East Arnhem Land and basically everyone in our community. You know, it's just such a special event for us.
Question na Angton. You think this thing is good for Hanamland na the lecture ujamla?
I guess time will tell. I haven't spoken to enough Yolngu to know what people are thinking about it. But yeah, it seems certainly has gotten a lot of big people in politics and industry from down south up here. So I guess that's always a good thing, and hopefully it creates a space for Yolngu to tell their own stories.
Wakuro, and everybody's now come very excited to see this now come rocket launch cartridge tonight here at Kurkula. And I myself and my families are here as well to see the rocket tonight.
Oh yeah, very much for Arnhem Land. It just embraces everything that it says about where we live here. You know, with just local community, everyone, Napaki and Yolngu together doing something in East Arnhem Land.
What your favorite thing about space?
I don't know, just the sense of how big it is, the sense of majesty to it. I've always been a fan of space ever since I was a little kid.
Space, I don't know enough about space. It's probably something we're all going to start learning about a little bit more. In the education days when I was at school, space was just about the man who walked on the moon. That's how old I am. But in between, yeah, not much. So this is something to look forward to. More learning about science going forward.
Ayo, the last question. Do you think there will ever be Yolngu astronaut in the future? In the future,
That's what we're all hoping for.
Oh, how good would that be? A Yolngu astronaut, that'd be fantastic. That'd be something to really look forward to in the future.
When in the future, I'll be gone by then.
Ayo, thank you. Yo, doon na naburya Anam Space Center. Ka rocket will be launched not 1 hour time. Kadal yung magmititangan na guess chimalaw na. Basto kadal na burling do mo. Tol blanya snake ko guess kumla. Toleng mo. Anam Space Center ka katuya ka kan VIP event indoor era. Interviewing lurkun na apa namanya? Yung mala pagit mala. Ayo indoor era. Ayo ni na pagana ina ma rate one light number ko mo. Aun nilindo ngayon nawin rocket ja launching. Right time ni. Our time ya. Yo ngari aku William Kumbula kadol na burning Anam Space Center. Tol na bagal ko rocket ko na to start 11:15 do pero lakka jani countdown ja kadal ko rawin. Nei to agal ko dal ni ko kam pai to dal nei watta gol yun. Player nei to launch ja. Kadal badak ta bagal ko. Yo.
Oh my god.
Yo bookmark rocket ja launch about midnight. Ja kayul na ngayon ni launch ja. Play pala niya minap katarat ram. Kana ay bukalap mamka no site. Na ito ben live pero mga rin kasi pala niya minigal kun mak 36 minutes mak 40 minutes na pala nigal kun ja. Kala ni Joran na pala martin turup to na. Kapte dat ja na kun kapun ditun muluk tun jara kamera ngayon ngay kayul na counting. Counting am bulan muru nei macam muru yun macam. Yo, kangaring ni under ja bro. Thought tun jauh settle ja. Nyara ka ngap pergi malah. Landa malah kayo ngap ni thought tun ja bro ini karamat sky ngora already rocket ja. Kaya yan namin ni na grup panjak 6 seconds chance of seeing that rocket. Alay bingung ja 10 seconds counting ingun. Punya una. Pan gonen makini ngatam ja. Yo, kawarom na parun nili mesti ap jam jeben awal kam pergi malah. Wala pada miss tapi. Wangi oleh mak waktu bulu start, benar bu. Hari ini nama, then last part. Yo, dia pilihan, thank you.